Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video we're working here on the Ford Fiesta guys, MK7 generation from 2008 to 2017, including the Ford Fiesta ST. If you need any videos guys, check out the channel. We've been taking this thing apart and we have more than 200 videos, so if you need anything probably we'll have it. If not now, we'll have it in the near future. That armrest lid guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace it today. Okay, this one right here. If yours is not working, if the latch is broken, we'll show you how to remove the armrest lid if you need to replace it. Stay with us and let's start on it now. We're going to make the video with the center console out of the car so we can show you better. Now, you don't have to remove the center console, remember, but it's a little bit dark and I won't be able to show you as good as we're going to with the center console out. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. So we're going to need a Torx 20, okay, T20, this is the star looking bit, okay, and a screwdriver. And we're going to remove 3 screws now. Okay, one there, make sure you hold the lid once you remove the second one. Okay, now you can go ahead and remove the cover. Okay, just like that. So this is how you guys remove the armrest lid cover on Ford Fiesta MK7. You install it exactly in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and many more videos to come. If you need anything, let us know. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.